Welcome to this quick demo video of the Local Agency App's reseller offer. Immediately you pick up your copy, you get instant access to your very own sleek and ready-to-go reseller panel, where you can start creating and managing users across all 5 local agency apps. Once you're logged in, the first thing you're going to get is a bird's-eye view of the 5 software apps you're getting access to. 1. You have SociaCake, the ultimate all-in-one Facebook marketing software bundle. Number 2 is Udoala, the ultimate cloud-based e-com domination platform with over 300 high-in-demand e-com products and more are being added weekly. 3. You have LeadGrow, lead gen app that generates lead funnels in 60 seconds flat and grows your list with 100% free traffic. App number 4 is Design Bundle 10-in-1 Design App Suite to consistently churn out stunning, professional, and highly converting designs on demand. And finally, Agency Blitz, the most powerful 4-in-1 DFY kits to sell the hottest marketing services in any niche. Each of the apps in this bundle are rock-solid bestsellers and sell at a minimum retail price of $77. But of course, with your reseller license, you can sell and charge whatever fee you want, whether monthly, yearly, or lifetime. Right on the dashboard, you can preview the ready-made sales page for each app with this button, or create a user account for yourself or for clients here. To log into your own personal account in any of the apps, simply click on the Login button for the respective apps. And finally, you can visit the robust support desk by clicking on this support button here for detailed knowledge-based videos and articles and to speak with our customer support agents. On the sidebar menu over here, you have the Users tab, where you can easily manage your users across all 5 apps right from one view. Next, you have the Marketing Assets, containing professionally designed marketing materials to help you sell out fast. First, you have the installation file for all 5 sales pages. Each sales page comes with done-for-you sales video, converting copy, testimonials, reviews, etc. This link takes you to a special step-by-step video demonstration of how to easily install the sales page file on your own domain. Then, for each of the apps, you get done-for-you email swipes, marketing graphics for ads, and social media marketing. You get Facebook ad copy and professionally written social media posts, all designed to make selling easier and faster for you. Worthy of mention is that all of these assets are delivered for all 5 apps, as you can see on this document, and they are tested and proven for maximum conversions. All you need to do is to copy, paste, and profit. Next, you have the Bonus tab, where you can get access to very special and custom bonuses to help you make the most out of your purchase. And finally, we have Tutorials. Here you get the direct links to the support desk of each of the platforms so you can share with your customers. Each of the apps in this bundle are rock solid and solves very common marketing and business problems, and as such are in very high demand. Also, we have a standby support team for each of the apps, ready to take care of you and your customers at any time. In the members area of each app, we have a live chat widget so your users can get instant responses whenever they need assistance, meaning you never have to worry about refunds or bad user experience. And during this launch special, your investment is backed up by our rock-solid money-back guarantee. So you can try it out at no risk, and if you aren't satisfied, you get your money back, no questions asked. Hurry now to lock in your access, as the price for this is increasing every hour. See you inside.
Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you discover how to start managing a successful business by working with the right clients the right way. I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. I wish you good luck in everything. About all the information linked below in the description. Write in the comments about what new and profitable online resources would you like to learn and see in our next videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to be aware of all the new useful resources in the world. And of course, like if you liked the video.